In this lesson, we will see together les conjonctions de subordination, but more precisely, we will see lorsque. So let's start from the beginning with the question, what is une conjonction de subordination? A conjunction of subordination is a type of conjunction that connects two clauses or sentences in a way that shows a dependent relationship between them. This is really, really important, this concept of dependent relationship between them. So these conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses which cannot stand alone as complete sentences. So this is the second important thing. These clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences, and they rely on the main clause to make sense. The subordinate clauses typically provide additional information, context, or details to the main clause. So this lesson is about lorsque. And the conjunction lorsque can be translated into various ways in English, including when, whenever, and as. So we will see some examples with lorsque. Je me sens calme lorsque je médite. Je me sens calme lorsque je médite. Lorsque la nuit tombe, les étoiles apparaissent. Lorsque la nuit tombe, les étoiles apparaissent. J'ai reçu ton message lorsque j'étais en réunion. J'ai reçu ton message lorsque j'étais en réunion. Lorsque tu seras prêt, nous pourrons commencer. Lorsque tu seras prêt, nous pourrons commencer.